Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, we will create an API to get all cars from the database. So let's get started. You can see here the Spring Boot application. So let's go to our car entity. So in this class, I'm going to create a new method that is a public, and the return type over here that is a car DTO, and name of the method that is a get car DTO. Let me import this car DTO class. So in this method, I'm going to create a new object for the DTO, and it will be a new DTO. So the purpose of this method is used to change the entity to the DTO. So here we need to call DTO.setID, and we will get ID from the entity. So here we just need to pass ID. That is the name of our property. So after that, I'm going to add here DTO.setName, and we will get name from the entity. DTO.setBrand, and the brand over here. DTO.setColor, and the color over here. DTO.setPrice, price over here. DTO.setDescription, and the description over here. DTO.setType, and the type over here. DTO.setTransmission, transmission over here. DTO.setYear, and the year over here. And the last we need to set here that is a returned image, and we need to get image over here. So after that, we need to return here our DTO object. After that, let's go to our admin service interface, and here I'm going to create a new method. So the return type of this method that is a list of our car DTO, and the name of the method that is a get all cars. Let me import this list from java.util. Let's go to our admin service impl, and here I'm going to implement this method that is a get all cars. So here in this method, we need to return here car repository dot find all, and here I'm going to add stream dot map, and it will be a collect, and in the argument we need to select here collectors dot to list. I've added here the loop because we need to pass here two things. First one is a entity that is a car, and the second we need to pass here that is a get car DTO method. After that, let's go to our admin controller, and here I'm going to create a public response entity over here, and here I'm going to add question mark, and name of the method that is a get all cars, and here we need to return response entity dot OK, and in the argument we need to pass here that is a admin service dot get all cars method. We will get the list of the cars with the response of this method, and we just need to return the status that is a OK and the list of the car DTO. So here on the top, I'm going to add the annotation that is a @get mapping, and the URL of this API that is a /cars. Let's run the application. And you can see application is started. Let's call this API from Angular. So you can see the Angular project. Let's go to our admin service, and here I'm going to create a new method that is a get all cars, which will be a type of the observable. And here I'm going to return this dot http.get, and in the argument I'm going to pass here the basic URL. After this, we need to pass here the URL of our API. So it will be a /API/admin/cars. And after that, we also need to attach the JWT token into the header. So let me copy these headers and put into the curly braces. Let's go to our admin dashboard component.ts, and here on the top I'm going to add constructor where we will inject our admin service. So it will be a private admin service from the admin service. After that, I'm going to add ng on init lifecycle hook where we will call method. So after the lifecycle hook, I'm going to create a method that is a get on cars, and here we need to call our service, that is admin service dot get all cars method. Let's subscribe this and save the response into this variable that is a res, and here I'm going to add console.log to print the result into our console. And we also need to invoke this method. So here I'm going to add this dot get all cars method. Let's save this, go to our UI, and let's test this API. Let me open it, the inspect, and let me refresh the component, and you can see we got a response from the backend with the two cars. First one is a name X7 and the second that is a A8. Now we are getting the cars into our console. Let's show these cars into our admin dashboard. Let's go to our TS, and here on the top I'm going to initialize a variable with the any. So in this method I'm going to add loop. Let me add after that, and you can see, let's save this. So you can see I've added here the for loop where we will get all the cars one by one, and here you can see the div where we are printing the image of the car, and you can see the div where we will show all the remaining details of the car like brand, name over here, and the description, price, color, transmission, car type, and the year. Let's save this, go to our SCSS file, and here I'm going to add the styling properties. Let's save this, and here you can see the properties for the SCSS. Now let's go to our UI, and you can see the list of the cars. Let me refresh the component. All right, so that's all for now from my side. I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, you can comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.